Hello all. We are going to view switch configuration parameters. Select fold count for Eclipse switch. 1 fold, 2 fold, 4 fold. 2 working modes are available for the rocker: rocker-oriented and button-oriented. Rocker-oriented. Switch. Working mode is selectable for left and right buttons. Dimming. Working mode is selectable for left and right buttons. Long press duration can be changed. As default, 100 milliseconds times 10 equals 1000 milliseconds. 1 second. Switch will start to send dimming up-down commands after each press longer than 1 second. Dimming step percentage can be changed to specify the maximum dimming step width of a dimming telegram. With a dimming message, you can dim by a maximum of X%. 100% option represents start-stop dimming function. Other percentage values correspond to step dimming function. Defines time interval between 2 dimming step commands. Shutter. Working mode is selectable for left and right buttons. Value. Working mode is selectable for left and right buttons. Data type can be selected: 1-bit value, 1 byte unsigned value, 1 byte signed value, 1 byte percentage, 2 byte unsigned value, 2 bytes signed value, 2 bytes floating value. Button-oriented. Switch. Long press function can be activated, disabled as default. On, off. Toggle commands can be sent separately using short and long press functions. On, off. Toggle selected data will be sent to KNX bus for each press of button. On, off. Toggle selected data will be sent to KNX bus for each release of button. Dimming. Action on short press can be selected for on, off toggle commands. Using long press function, dim direction is changeable for dim up, dim down, dim up down. Shutter. Shutter command can be selected for each long press, up-down toggle. Scene. Scene number determines which scene is to be recalled and stored. 64 different scenes can be managed by using single group address on different buttons. Each short press will call the selected scene. Storing of the current scene can be triggered by long press action. Value. Short press function determines the data type for the short press. When button is pressed, selected data will be sent KNX bus via respective communication object. Long press function can be enabled to send another data type by pressing longer to the same button. LED function parameters: permanently on, permanently off, separate communication object, and operation indication. If selected permanently on, LED is always on for selected color: red, green, blue, cyan, magenta, white, amber. If selected permanently off, LED is always off. If selected separate communication object, LED color will change according to value received by LED status object. If selected operation indication, status LED of rocker button will stay on color selected for off command until it is pressed. The pressed button will stay on color selected for on command until it is released. Jamming function is used to block to respective button or rocker via object by writing true or false data from the bus. Button will not work until it is enabled via jamming object. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.